Malalo mali e aho e ki mo lele i Tonga kotoa, fia ki talitali lele ki mo tono, ki o mo ngahi o ngongo mo le tio kai uma ai televisione Tonga ki he hawani. I he wakai koia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo, houfi e he tui whale o ai kei polofu o honoa ma a Tonga i wawa o he pongpongi ahoni. Whakahawata ne awhi ki e whamanga polisi ni ofise komisiona ki e whakawaki i te whaitotonu hawha ilohia o piveni piukala. Pea tukulolo pe mata pule tau toro ni ma mei kolonga na fiko mike e kau polisi a ki ene a tonu ki aptanga polisi e mo a. O kuto ye pe ngahi tala noa kehe ana yangi pihi ai tau wakai ki ngahi o ngongo mihe mala e o sikoti kai o maa e to unga o i ea. Ko e wakai lewa e ni ki u whakai ki kua o liliano polote. Kua o sia eni e tongani i he ahoni ai makamai le maho inga mo whakalakalaka hilengia hono huofi i he tamato i whakaleo peleni si kalauni tupotoa ulukalala ai kei polo fo honoa i he whaifonua wawa uma a tongani e pongpongi o ahoni.
I e whamatala pile lahe kautaha kei polo a Tonga se mispānuwe na ane pehe, ko i polo kalamanga weni ne whakatokaya i kilistahi o whiunga mo i tau e tolu, ka ako ene toka kato e ni hono whakatoka. I he kakato ngā weni e te mālohi, tu uloa, whalalaanga, pau mo waweanga whitu utak interneti i Tongani, tau te whito, ko i konga eni e ngā unu ke whasiisi i mo whakangata hato e palopale matatau e hoko i he kahao, o hange ko ia ni hoko i he pae mo o ngāwhi hunga tonga hunga haapai i he wanoa ua. I he mahino ni hoko eni ke motua e laine ke i polo i kristahi, pea motuhia e whitu utak interneti o tatau pe whalotofonua mo whawaha apure a ngā. Mahina pe i he mea tokon pale mea ki mua na ane pehe koe konga eni e nau palani loloa ke whakatoka ai kei polofo ouni ke tu utarifaki ke hataimi e hoko ai ha whahinga whakatamaki ke motuhia ai kei polo pe ai hoko lewa eni ko ha pale tua ke whakawhalala ke ai whitu utak interneti a Tonga. Koe ngā wenik malawe whingawe a ke pole anga Australia munu usila i ana whakapaanga ai whakamole whakapaanga whafuafua ki he tola Australia e 5 miliona ai ane tukone Australia e tolu 5 miliona pea tola nusila e tahiwa miliona me he pole anga nusila. Hok mahino peka kei polo e taha kulolo tonga ngawe a ke tongani ai a koe tokoni e panke a mamani mo e panke whakalakalaka e siya.
Kua whahuatu e he ofisi e komisiona ki he whawhepaki i o tai whaitotonu ha whakailohia o i whawafonga kakai o Tongatapu fitu ki whalealea, Paula piveni piukala na e whahuatu eni ane afi ki he whamau anga polisi hilia hono whakakato ha whakatatolo tawataina ki hia ko tukua ki i aki aia koe kaunoa ta e totonu i he ngāu e whamau anga o whakatatau eni ki he kupono nima o i lao ki he ngā hihia, se nori tatu i vai mo i whakaiki.
Ko e hili e ni hono whakakato a whakatotolo tau ataina ki e hia kua tuka ki i aki, aia koe kaunoa ta e totonu i he ngāue e whakamau anga o whakatatau ki he kupu honono nima o i lao ki he ngāhi hia. Ko e tuakini o whelawe ia me lolotonga e i he lakanga minister polisi a piukala. Hok mahino ni haa piukala whamau anga polisi a ne awhi pene tutu une whakamau ke toloi ai hopo ke ahuaua o sune o i tau ni. Hok mahino foki ko hia nei whakahoko e piukala ko ene whakaata ai matapule ko pita hopoate ke wholawat ki tuapule anga lalotonga ko ia ko tutu une whamau anga e ika ingofua ke mawahe a hopoate me i tongani. Kai ke hene kai ke tuku mahe pule anga tali o whikau ake me kawe ngani kai ne whakahape ki mua i he ngahi whatahe kau whaiongongo ki mua ko i kawe ngani o i he malumalo e ofise komisiona ke no whawhipaketa e whaitotonu pea ko i ola lewa eni ai ngā ue ko ia ai ofisi o i whawhipaki i o e ta e whaitotonu.
O kulorotonga tauhi e malu o e kao polisi ai matapule tau toro ni mami kolonga ko Viliami tapa a tau tai naa a ene whekumi wawe kiai ai kao polisi ane awhi. Ko no tauhi eni hiliangeia ene o tonu pe ki aptanga polisi i mua o tuku lolo ki ai ane whiawhi li te atau kapo mo i whakaiki iki.
I he whakaeke ai o ngonga le tio Tonga, mo i komanta pule ngai aptanga polisi Tongatapu, halatoa ta uwha. Nā ne pehe, ne whakafuafua ki taimi walu e fiafi ane afi, ne au tonu atu pe e matapuleni o tuku lolo ki apitanga polisi i mua, hili ange ia hono whakaha whaka ofisiale me he potu ngāwe ki e kakai o e whonua ane afi pe, ai whekumi ki e matapuleni, aia ne tuku hake i he pēsi mi tia whakasosiale ai potu ngāwe, o whakaha i e hingoa e matapuleni mohono i mista. Na e makatuunga whekumi e kaupulisi ki matapuleni koe uhi koe hia whakamanamana aki hame atau nā ne whai ki hono waifi pea hola i e konga ki mua o i mahinani.
Koe whatau ke ni potu mau koe taimini. Koe matapure koe ni tautolu nima pea mei kolonga na e watu koe ni ulotonga na e kume he kaupulisi ka mata ne fiafi. Na lawa pe o puke i pe ane fiafi, wa ufua ke taimi walu e fiafi ane afi. E kau polisi, pe toa tahani na e tūlolo pe o hauki a polisi mua, na ia e kau kumi. Koe tuko taimi ni, kula Tongatapu i e tanga polisi Nuku'alofa. Whakakato kia ngau e hai whairo, e toki haarewa i whamau a ngaha aho a muia. E taim tatau o ke hoko te ngawe ka whatotoro, ke rawa o whakakato e ngai whairo, pe foki he ngawe koe ni ki he mea tau, pe na e whaia ke ai whamana koe ki hono hoa. E koe tūngai koku e koe taimini, ke hoko te ngawe ka polisi ki he hia koe na e whahoko e matapure koe ni. Pea ku pe whahape ke mea he hoi ki ka maka kai whonua. Ku lawa o poke toa taha koe ni ki he malumalu e kau polisi ke hoko ate ai ngā ue koe ki ai whilawe i moia.
Na e hoha alahi e kau polisi ki e kei hola e matapuleni koe uhi na ani aluholo pe moi mea tau, moi tokanga ki e malo e kakai i he tūku i kolo. Lolo tonga eni ne toi pehepe e tā uwha, o ku tauhi matapuleni ka oku kei hoko atu pe e whakatotolo ki mea tau na ane ngawe aki, koe uhi na ikai ke tuku lolo whakataha ia mo mea tau na ane ngawe aki ki he kau polisi.
Koe tuko tai mini o te ke maa o mea tau, ange pe koe mea kona uku. Kone poki mare ke kau polisi ko ia kono sino ope, e kai ke haue mo i mea tau. E koe ngā ue kula tonga hau atu koe kia kau whatolo ki whapau i mea tau koe nai whae ke whamana, e kui whia, e moani i o whelawe i mo mea tau koe ia. Ai kei hoko te e whatotolo i ki ai.
E toki haa e matapuleni, Viliami tapatou tainaa, i he whakamau a ngā amuiange, i he mau e ngā ue me whakatotolo ki he kawingani. Ma ai o ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
O kūtalanga mo uiange ngā ue atu e kau polisi o puke ni ihi o kunau mao, ngā ue aki mo tu whaki holo e whaito o Tongatapu i Tongani. Ne te puke ai he kau polisi e toko fitu i Tongatapu ni pe me ngā he whaitu kehe pe i he mahinani.
I haongo tuku ata pun ngā ue polisi, nai puke ni ihi ko e ni i he ngā ue taha kehe pe, nai whakahoko whekau aki mo puke ani ihi o ngā ue aki mo tu whaki e whaito o Tongatapu. Nai puke ai i he kau polisi a toko tolu o whelawe i tonu mo tu whaki e whaito o Tongatapu i he Elia Loman Linda. Ko ni ihi kotoa ko e ni mei whahewa, ko e ongo matapure tau ua mo tau waono, mo e whiwhine tau waono. Nai puke whakataki nao tolu mo milimila whaito o Tongatapu, paanga mo nau o ngawe aki ki ono mau o whaito o Tongatapu. Nai toi mao he kau polisia whamatala whalalaanga, lolo tonga ai whakatotolo ni whakahoko, ko whaito o Tongatapu aisi nai puke, koe aisi ia ai tau kete ai matapure tau ua mei whahewa. Nai malawa I pe ke toi puke he kaupurisi e tau ke te tau tolua koe ni, me I whahefa pe moia o whakailo ki ono mau mo whai tō kona tapu kalasi o IC. Nau ke ngawe aki ki ono mau ai whai tō kona tapu, mo mea tau whakataha mo mahafu ta e laiseni pehe ki he paanga. Lolo tonga e ni, nai toi puke he kaupurisi a ngo mātua me mapelu mo e lau. Koe matapure tau tau nima mohono waifi tau tau taha ki he hia whekau aki me whaito kona tapu kalasi o IC. Ko whakailoi e matapure ko e ni ki he hia whekau aki mo mauia mo whaito kona tapu moha nau ngawe aki ki hono mau. Pehe ke whenga ke totong whakafufu ai ofisa polisi na whakahoko ai ngā ue ko e ni ki hono puke ia. Na whakailo ai waifi ki hono mauia mo ngai nau ngawe aki ki he whaito o kona tapu. Kai kehe, na toi puke he wike ko o si a matapure tau tolu fitu me mauwhanga isi a tau tai, mo a whaito o ta e whakalao, whakataha mo mahafu ta e laiseni. Oku kei hoko atu pe ai ngā ua me whakatotolo e kau polisi ki ono tau I o kawe ingani I tongani. Mai o ngonga le te om televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
O nia ngongo whakaloto whanua ia ke hawani koe ngahi o ngongo mehe malai o sipoti hoko mai o kahili eni mō piea o lie.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potu ngāu e ngahi ngāu e whaloto whanua pe mia. Malawa I ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiau I Super Rugby Pacific Monoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 minista me tawha I sipoti ai potu ngāu e I whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Maloma tau ki whilonga ki koe whakaen ke malai o e sipoti. O ku hakailangi tau e kautaha hoki a Tonga, I ono whakahoko mai ki Tonga ni fōfua whakatahalahi whakatau a e kautaha e Oceania, me mo te waki ki he whiau hipo pāsiki I whakasinga e tau. Nei whahai he Palestine e kautaha hoki a Tonga, se siria tu ila, o ku whahistoria ni he koe fōfua taimia, ke whakahoko e whakatahalahi whakatau pe AGM I Tongani.
Oceania he taimi o ku nau I Tongani ai, o hange ko whiawhia mawahe o ku mau. Ak mau tolu koe ni o ku mau I he hoki. He koe fofua taimi ni ke host e Tonga AGM I Tongan. Pea o whakahistoria ka mau tolu. Pea loto hounga ia mo on ka mau tolu. Ai mea koe pea mau wako ngai mea lai. Ke lava ke mau ngā unu ai ki mua. Pea hange koe lau pia koe lotu pe mo au kai ke he ngai whatongia koe ne hoki uhanga tu ki mua. Mo e teo koe ne langa ai mala e hoki. O whakaamu au pito e mautolo ai tokoni lahi. Ke lava ke whe pōpō waki. Kore atu pe ki he pure anga. Koe tau pure anga umau ingata. Pare mia hange koe pot ngau e koe ni ai mia pehe ke he tasano ke mo pōpō mai ke tau whe pōpō waki. Ka lava ke tuplaki ai sipoti Tongan.
Lo Tongani gue ngahi parani ngāu e kua whamohe mei ulu he kautaha hoki tāki mua mai ai, ano langa e malai wa inga ke whakahauka e sipotini I Tongani.
Pea mo e sio atu ke he ngahi whakotutu a Tonga ke he kahau, na e malawa ke maua atu ke he eria a mana ke ai malai hoki a Tonga. Pea koe tu e taini miu lo Tonga whai e wheinga hange koe meang nau lau ki ai, koe nau tau muape ke malawa ke whakahoko no langa malae, whai ngai kore tokoni pe, mo ngai mea koia, ko ngai ke pureanga, mo mea ke tokoni, pea mo ki nau tolu pe ai Oceania, o ku nau tokoni mai ki he ngāue koe ne o whai. Pea ko oskamata ngāue, oskamata ke teke ai konga kau teke ai ke mo toi toi uha, mo ngai palparema ka mauhanga tu pe ke teke ai ngāue ke lava. Koe tau muafo koe fofua taimien ke whakahoko mai Pacific Cup ai hoki ki Tongan. Aia ku amana ke whakahoko I tisema ka e tipeni pe pea mehe ola koe ni ai whenga u nau whai ke mala ai hoki a Tonga.
I temle tau ni ongo I tō tau e paionia ki te whakawharangalaka e sipotini mo e hoki, hi ko whungawaka ka auku iai e palani ki hoko le leia te ngāwe ko ia Mo tau mua ke he ngahi le volo I ki ange ki ono whakarakalaka I.
Na e whakahoko pe whoke hiko a ngahi polokalama ke he ngai secondary school, ka koen te mau hoko ato ai pe ai he tauni, pe a mausio atu ke he ngai korisi, pe he ke hok whakalapu, pe a moe mau polokalama ke he disability, ke he nau hoko atu, ke he ai ako ui koe mama spot, te mau hoko atu, moe mau tuu mālohi, ai ako au whok pe a mo pitken funga waka, o ko matuu atu he hoki he tainimi pe a moe ongo development officer, pe a moe committee hoki a Tonga, ke mau whe pōpōwaki, ke lava ke ngā unu a hoki ki mo.
Nei whahai pehe pule lahe kautaha hoki a Oceania, Craig Gribble, o ko tae manakina e ola o ngai whiauhi ko wholawangi kia e timi hoki a Tonga, he o kui kaiha nau whiunga ki hono teu e timi whawhonua kau kia e tau mua ke whakaivia langa ngā ue o ku whahoko mi he kautaha hoki a Tonga. Kai ke he koe fofo taimien ke mawahe mai ai e timi me he Oceania whahoko ai whaitahani, pe he ki hanga hiako, whawhaiako, me whamau, pe aguai e pore e sipotini, e tau wahenga, e tau te whitoini ki hono ave ki he tuunga whapau whesnale. Koe malai pe iau sipotini.
Ko e whakailewa e niki he to o ngā oe ea, i ana toko mai me wa a wakai matangi ato ngai whamotu whakahoko ato e mai ola mai ni kono.
Malalau malia hau eiki mo lele Tonga kotoa ki tai talele pek mo toi ta whamatala ea ke whiawhini. Ngai tawa no lalahi koe whamatala ea ngai mea mahu inga whike toka ngā make he whiawhini. Koe ke hoka tono Moimoi e alta maki uha koe nei wesia ai o Tonga e hoa e ua whāko tau situ a mei ai. E ke hoka te pene wesia wawa kai mai o niwa. E he pōni kai mai hoa pongpong koe a pongi. E tok matawhia te loa koe nipa mi wawa o i pongpong a pongpongi kai mai hoa e whiawhi ki he o niwa. Hako, ke hoka peo tau ngai potahi e whiawhini, ka e holo māmalia te pe hako koe ni e pōni, pea e saia pito a pongpongi e he o Tonga. I misi satellite e ni o ta whanonga mai ahoni, e longa lele toko ia alta maki uha e o Tonga, ngai konga a uhalahi eni. I hono hala whanonga hano Moimoi mai ahoni, na e ngā unu whakahahake ai pe ngai konga a uha koe ni, pe koe alta maki uha koe ni, pe a alumali atu matawhia te loa koe ni, pe mi Tongatapu mo ewa kai maa o toha pai i hoa tae whiawhia pe oe ahoni. Ke hoka pe ni wesia e a wawa o kai mai o niwa i he tau whanonga mai i he whiawhini. Pe a pehe whoki ke tau wakai ki he pōni ki a pongpongi. E ke hoka te ni wesia e ngai vai whanonga ni ki toka lau. Tok matawhia tae alta maki uha koe ni pe mi wawa i he pongpongi. Pe e whoki ango niwa i hoa e whiawhia pe a pongi. Ngai whatokanga le vain ke whano tukat e whiawhini ka whatokanga awalai pe mo e tāwhia. Ke whaipeno tukat ki wawa pe mo ango niwa. E alu pe ke alumalia ta wawa o he pongpongi pe tok whano tu hewa ngai whatokanga koe ni. Kai maa ango niwa i hoa e whiawhi koe a pongi ai pe. Ko e whatokanga koe ka tau ngai potahi, kei tukatu pe whatokanga hako, kai maa e whale ke ngai wakatou taiki, ke kotoa pe ngai potahi o tu Tonga. Whatonga e angi o ku holo māmali e tei pe ai hako koe ni i e pōni, pe whahano tu hiwha i ngai whatokanga koe ni, i he tau whamatala e hoko i he ono a pongi. Ko e aha ni maka ka hoko mai, pe ko tau wakai ke tau ngai whamatala e ahi wike ni e wakai Pasifiki. Mahino pe ai alu whahahake pe koe ngā unu whahahake alo tāmaki uha, pe a koe ngahi ko ngā ao uha i ao tāmaki toka hongo niwa e ngā unu whakatoke lau ai pe, i hoa e whiawhi a pongpongi, pe hei alamaari mai hongo niwa i hoa e whiawhi a pongpongi. Mahina pe a pongpongi aku o matang maari mai ai wawao o a o mai ki Tongatapu ni pe mo e ua. Ko tau wakai ko ia ke hoka te tunga wikeni, whatonga e ange e te mo wakai mai ke alamaria ko ni whatonga ko ia tene hanga pule i hake ai tunga o e whamatala ea ke wikeni. Ngā unu ai altamaki whahahake, te kai hawiri o ngai pa me hake, pa me tonga hake e he po a pongpongi o hoka te whasinga wikeni. Pea o whangamali au pito ke a uia o hako. E koe hako ko taimia o ku auai ai hawili ki he mai tahi wani matou noa ki i hangai taimi. Aia e te kai hawili ke tonga hake i po pongpongi i whatonga au hake ai pe ki wawa o pia moha apai i he tua pule lunu. Pea pe foki ki he ongo niwa ka o ku tuk whaingamali ange a wawa o ha apai Tongatapu eua pe ki te ki tonga pe mo te ki toke lau ke a o ia ke malohi o hako e he po a pongpongi e whatonga a o hake beto o ple lulu ki Tongatapu e wakai maa wa o pe mo o tu ha pai si a pete whenga mali ke a hako ko ni ki he ongo ni wa i he tonga ko ia o wike ni aia ko wa o pe o a o mai ko he taunga he po tai whatonga o whaisio ea o ke ai hako i hene teka koe ni ai havili o pule i hake e he alamali e whatonga e ne anga whetukutuku hake havili pa me hake pa me tonga hake i he po a pongpongi o hoko atu ai pe ke whaka o singa ko ia o he wikeni. Aia koe anga e ni whanonga ko ia e tawa kai ke tō pule lu teka ke havili ke tonga hake alua i pe al tama ke whahake ka te mo wakai me koe alamali ni whatonga ko ia ne whetukutuku hake havili pea mei he tonga hahake tonga hahake. He tau whanonga te whasinga wike, pea e alupe ke te mālohi ange, ai hawili pe me hake pa mui tonga hake. Ai au tau siwa ato ke te opule lulu o au ke whasinga o wike, sāpate, e hako mai, awa wau o au mai ki ngai potai koe ne whatonga pe me hake pa mui tonga hake. Ke mo te whahongo mai pe ke whamatanga, ai apa mui ngai whatonga hako ta te whito ni. Ki he koutou tai, tu lawe ango fua pite whanki wakatou tai ki mita e walpito si angai. E taimi koe aku ngā oai a havili ki hako ako maritai e wanima ki tōnoa e hangahi taimi. Koe tau wakaile wakoia ke whamatala ea i he whawhini o au ki a henghengi o tau ngai vai whonua mahino pēha hoko atu ano westia i he pōni e al tamaki uha wawao kai maayongo niwa ka o alope ki alamali atu awa wa uia e tau whanonga koe ki a henghengi. Ai ko henghengi e ko mawahe a te ngai a konga a uhai wa wau a mahino pe e pongpong koe a pongpongi ko a matawhia te loa pe mi wa wau. Ka koe ongo ni wau ke whai pe alo Moimoi koe hui o ku kei no wholo pe a ngahi konga a uhalahi a i ongo ni wau e tau whanonga te pōni ki a henghengi. Mahino pe a Tongatapu ni pe a mo ewa ka mai o tu haapai ko matang maali e mai ngai vai whanua ko ni alo maali e lele e tau whanonga te pōni ki a henghengi. Moko lelei pe ea i Tongatapu ni pe mo ewa e digri se te se wataha ua ke maa a wawao pe mo o tu haapai digri se te se watolua whai pōni. Ma whana lelei pe ongo niwa digri se te se wanima ke waono. Pea pe hefu ke hako o ku ke ia o pe ia ngai taim ke mai tahe wanima ka o ku e holo atu ai pe i he tau whanonga te he pōni ki he pongpongi ko ia pe ko e heng ko ia a pongpongi. E holo atu ai pe koe kotoa i ngā hei alo tāmaki pia mo e hako ko ngā on whakahaha ke atu ai pe pe me he o tutonga e tau whanonga te pōni. Ka tau wakaika ke pule lulu mahino pe hoa pongi ka pongpongi he no wholo e ngahi ko ngā au uhai o niwa pe e toki ngā on whatoke lau mama o te hoa e whiafka pongpongi pe me o niwa pe toki alamalia te o niwa ke hoa e whiawha pongpongi hoko te alamalia pongpongi i wawau o a o mai ki Tongatapu ni pea mo e waangi pe havili ma le tahi hau fluke tā nima tonga malia pe te ngai po tahi koe ni a pongi pongo hui koe holo ke havili whatonga iange te ka koe havili ke tonga hake ka mata mai mamalo he mai po a pongpongi pe me he ngai po tahi whatonga o a o ke ma le tahi e wanima he po a pongpongi pe au hange koe whakatala noa ke hoko atu hei te kai havili ke tonga hake e alupe ke hako kako amaraki pe mo whaango mai ke whamatala ea e ako toa pe i honu tuku atu e tau whamatala ea whamuimui taha. Kako taimi ne tahi matokai o songfulu pe me honfulu e pōni tau maali hawheni ma a henghengi pe koe la e hopo hake a pongpongi o swalu pe me he fitu kai tō e mahina e a henghengi o stahano pea me he tolu. Ko tau whanonga tuen ke he kātoa e mahina a whaka osi ia o e mahina ko me ai koe atol taha sapate ia o e wikeni o kātoa e mahina. Toinga koe whamatala ea ke wikeni mahino pe alo maali eange ai tu unga o ea e Nuku'alofa ni whatonga eange hako e hako pe he tu opule lulu o au ke moni te o wika haupa koe hako koe ni i longa pito tau ngai potahi me mege a ngai hawiri pe me hake pe mo tonga hake i he hako koe ni e Nuku'alofa ni mo te whao mai kau tau tai ko hui koe whatonga ngā hako koe ni pe whoki ki he mawhana koe ia mawhana lelei pe fua mawhana i Nuku'alofa ni taimi aho Tiri se wa fitu a walu pe koe lawa kakato e mo whamatanga ea ke whiawhini a manak pe o wa utaki atu ai whamatanga ea pa mga whatonga kotoa pe ke tapa kotoa o tutonga. Māloa pito mo mea mai ka mo mea.
Vai ola ia mai tu o ngā oi ea ka tau toi wakaingi pe heni ki ngāhi ulo i o ngongo. Hofi e he to'i whaleo ai kei polo o honoa ma a Tonga i wawahi pongpongi ahoni. Whakahawata ne awhi ke whamaunga polisi ni ofisi komisiona ke whakawaki i o te whakitonuha whakailohia o piveni piukala. Pea tukulolo pe mata pule tau toru ni ma mei kolonga na e whikomike e kau polisi a ki ene au tonu ki atana polisi i mu a. Mo e kakatai pe ia ngā hiongongo mu ledio kai uma a ai televiso ne tonga ki hawani mo i whakaamu ne au taki kotoa atu pe ia ki loto whale kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whi au mai ka mō me a.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, His Royal Highness Prince Regent commissioned second international internet cable in Vava'o. Former Police Minister Paula Piukala charged over alleged court interference, and Kolonga man wounded by police surrenders at Mo'a police station yesterday. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to be wrapped up with the latest weather updates. Now for the stories in details. Tonga has reached a new milestone in telecommunications with His Royal Highness Prince Regent Crown Prince Tupota Olukalala this morning commissioning Tonga's second international internet cable in Vava'o. Tonga connected to the Hawaii submarine cable system. The CEO of Tonga Cable Limited, Semisipano, says the project was completed within 3 years and will provide stronger and more reliable international connectivity for Tonga. He says the new cable will improve protection during natural disasters, expand access to digital services for communities, and create opportunities for more affordable internet services. Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Latu says the project is a significant step forward for Tonga's connectivity resilience. Dr. Latu says the second cable will reduce the risk of future international telecommunications outage, support secure and reliable services, and contribute to Tonga's national digitalization and economic growth priorities. He adds that the initiative is part of the government efforts to ensure the connectivity challenges in Tonga experienced following the Hungatonga Hungahapai eruption in 2022. The project was jointly funded by Australian through the Australian Infrastructure Financing Facility for the Pacific and the Government of New Zealand in partnership with the Government of Tonga and Tonga Cable Limited. Tonga currently relies on a single international cable funded by the World Bank and the Asian Development Bank. The Office of the Commissioner for Anti-Corruption has filed a charge against Paula Piukala in the Magistrate Court. Let's take a look. This follows the completion of an independent investigation by the Anti-Corruption Commission into allocations that Piukala interfered unlawfully in court proceeding, contrary to Section 65 of the Criminal Offences Act. The allegation is that he ordered the release of Pita Hopoate to travel overseas while there was a court order preventing Hopoate from leaving Tonga. It is understood that the alleged action was taken by Piukala while he was serving as Minister of Police last year. Piukala appeared in the Magistrate Court yesterday, where the court ordered the case to be adjourned until June 22. A 35-year-old man from Kolonga, Tainaa, who was urgently being sought by police yesterday, has surrendered to authorities. He is currently being held in police custody after turning himself in at the Mo'a police station yesterday evening. With more on that story, Lydia Tongatapu takes that story.
Speaking to Radio Tonga News, Tongatapu Police Commander Halatoa Taufa said the man arrived at the station and surrendered at around 8 p.m. shortly after police publicly announced the search for him through the department's official social media page, which included his name and photograph. Police had been searching for the man following allegations that he threatened his wife with a weapon earlier this month before fleeing. Police were seriously concerned because the man was reportedly moving around with a weapon, raising fears for public safety in the community. Commander Taufa said the man remains in custody while investigations continue into the weapon allegedly used, as it was not handed over to police when he surrendered. Williami Tapatoutai Na'a is expected to appear in court once investigations are completed. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
And police are continuing their efforts to arrest people involved in the distribution and use of illegal drugs in Tonga. This month alone, 7 people have been arrested in different locations around Tongatapu. Litea Taukapo with more.
In a press release from the Tonga police, said the arrests were made during separate operations targeting people involved in the use and distribution of illicit drugs. 3 people were arrested in the Lomanlinta area in connection with drug dealing. They are all from Wahewa, 2 men aged 22 and 26 and 1 woman. Police also seized illegal drugs, cash and equipment used for drug-related activities. During investigations, police received reliable information that the drugs seized, identified as methamphetamine, belonged to the older brother of the 22-year-old man from Wahewa. Police later arrested the 32-year-old brother, also from Wahewa, and charged him with possession of methamphetamine, possession of drug utensils, possession of weapons including an unlicensed firearm, and possession of cash linked to the offences. Meanwhile, police also arrested a couple from Mauwhanga, a 35-year-old man and his 31-year-old wife, over offences involving methamphetamine. The man has been charged with possession of illegal drugs, possession of drug utensils, and attempting to bribe the police officer involved in the operation. His wife has also been charged with possession of drug-related equipment. Separately last week, police arrested a 37-year-old man from Mauwhanga in Si'atoutai with illegal drugs and an unlicensed firearm. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
That's your local news. Sports is up next with Pia Olie. Stay tuned.
Welcome back in sport. The Tonga Hockey Association is pleased after hosting the Oceania Hockey Annual General Meeting in the Kingdom for the first time last week, with discussions also focusing on plans to host the Pacific Cup in December 2026. Association President Cecilia Tu'ileila told Radio Tonga Sports News that the meeting highlighted Tonga's efforts to develop hockey locally. The Oceania hockey officials also visited the artificial turf project at Atele, which remains a key focus for the association. Oceania hockey CEO Greg Gribble said one of the major agendas was how member nations could support Tonga in building its first artificial turf facility. Although hockey is not yet part of the Pacific Games, officials hope ongoing development work could help the sport gain inclusion for the 2031 Pacific Games in Tonga. Meanwhile, the association is now seeking government support and donations to complete the project. And that's sports news.
That is Pia Olie with the latest sports news. Now for the latest weather update, to be presented by Viola Mainikolo.
Good evening, Tonga. Welcome to your evening forecast for Meo Met Service once again. Headline for tonight: until the weather continue over the far north, over the Niwas and also Vava'u. Condition over Vava'u will improve by tomorrow morning, but for the Niwas by tomorrow afternoon. Windy condition will most likely to improve by tomorrow morning across Tonga. So the satellite imagery clearly indicate where the elongated trough located, which is this convective cloud. The trough was moved east away from Tongatapu and Eua by afternoon, in the afternoon today, and also later in the afternoon over by, well, Vava'u and the newest, the unsettled weather still or experienced throughout the day. But for Vava'u and the newest, unsettled weather mostly, but for the newest in Vava'u, cloudy, thunderstorms, occasional rain still continue throughout the day over the north. So this convective cloud that you see here expected to move tonight onto the newest, and that's why the newer and the condition is getting worse, and that's over the newest. But for Vava'u, the condition, the convective cloud will move, expected to move eastward tonight. So slightly, Vava'u slowly getting better tonight until tomorrow morning. The condition will most likely to clear out by tomorrow morning. Good evening, Tonga. Welcome to your evening forecast from your Tonga Met service once again. Headline for tonight: unsettled weather continue over the newest in Vava'u. Condition will likely to improve over Vava'u by tomorrow morning and followed by the newest by tomorrow afternoon. While by tomorrow afternoon, windy condition will most likely to improve by tomorrow morning. Good evening, Tonga. Welcome to your evening forecast from your Tonga Met service once again. Headline for tonight: unsettled weather still continue over the newest in Vava'u, most likely to improve over Vava'u by tomorrow morning and followed by tomorrow afternoon over the newest. Windy condition will most likely to improve by tomorrow morning. We'll look into details later. So the satellite imagery clearly indicate whether elongated triflocated, which is this cloud, convective cloud. As you can see, the convective cloud was moving east away from Tongatapu and Ewa in the afternoon and also Hawaii. Vava'u and the newest still experience throughout the day, cloudy most of the time, thunderstorms and also occasional rains, heavy at times. This convective cloud will move onto the newest by tonight, so the condition expected to worsen over the newest by tonight, while for Vava'u, the convective cloud will slightly move east by tonight and the condition will improve over Vava'u by tomorrow morning. So check out the warning for land areas. Take note that heavy rain and flash flood advisory still enforced over Vava'u and the newest land areas. As I've said, Vava'u condition will improve tomorrow morning, followed by the newest by tomorrow afternoon. Warning for coastal waters, strong wind warning and small craft advisory still enforced as of this evening for all of Tonga coastal waters, because the wind will gradually decrease further tonight. Most likely the condition will improve by tomorrow morning, and these conditions or these strong wind are likely to cancel by tomorrow morning. But there is a chances of shifting to southeast, and the strong wind will most likely to rise up over the southern part of Tonga by tomorrow night, especially the coastal waters. But we'll look into details later as we look through in the next 5 days. So here's the next 5 days, starting tomorrow until Sunday. The convective cloud over the newest will further move north away from the newest by tomorrow morning. So tomorrow afternoon condition over the newest will improve, and of course tomorrow the central and the southern part of Tonga expected to be mostly fine. Another major concern, as you can see, these are shifting from the southeast direction, wind direction. It is expected to rise up again to strong wind started from the southern waters by tomorrow night and extend up to the central part of Tonga. Wawa'u and Ha'apai coastal waters by tomorrow, Thursday. So strong wind expected over Wawa'u, Ha'apai, Tongatapu, Ewa, and Te Tonga and Te Tonga coastal waters by tomorrow night and also Thursday, and that will continue over the weekend. But for the newest, less likely to expect a strong wind to reach the newest in the next 5 days. So here how it goes, as you can see, convective cloud further move north, fine weather, generally fine weather expected across Tonga later tomorrow and over the weekend. As you can see, these high pressure dominate the east and southeast trade wind over Tonga. These expected to rise up to strong wind, 25 to 30 knots at times, especially over coastal waters of Wawa'u, Ha'apai, Tongatapu, Ewa, and also our southern water. Less likely to reach to the newest coastal waters, and I'm talking about strong wind. So whenever we have a strong wind from the southeast, we always expected isolated showers across Tonga. Forecast for tonight until early tomorrow. Of course, tonight, fine weather expected over Ha'apai, Tongatapu, and Ewa. As you can see, all the convective cloud move eastward. Condition over Wawa'u most likely to slowly improve tonight to early tomorrow. But for the newest, conditions still expected to worsen over the newest tonight. Mostly cloudy, rest of thunder, and occasional rain tonight to early tomorrow over the newest, with the minimum temperature forecast down to 21 to 22 degrees here in the Southern Islands, up to 25 to 26 degrees tonight to the far north of the newest. Of course, the strong winds still rising up to 25 knots, but slowly, gradually decrease as we moving from tonight until early tomorrow. So most likely tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Forecast bulletin, you will not expected any strong wind over coastal waters of Tonga. So stepping forward to tomorrow, Wednesday. So all the convective and unsettled weather move further east, fine weather over the central and the southern part of Tonga by tomorrow. Looking further north to the newest, as I've said, conditions will improve by tomorrow afternoon over the newest, with a maximum temperature of 29 degrees tomorrow, the newest 27 here in the southern part of Tonga tomorrow. And the state of the sea will be slight. As you can see, the wind will be slight, 10 to 15 knots most of the time by tomorrow. To take note that tomorrow night the wind will shift from the southeast and started to become moderate to fresh, rise up to strong over coastal waters of the southern waters of Tonga by tomorrow night. Tide prediction: low tide tonight 10 minutes past 10, and the high tide will be early tomorrow 4:30. Sunrise tomorrow 8 minutes past 7, and the moon set will be early tomorrow at 16 minutes past 3. To take note that the full moon will be this Sunday, the last day of May. 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa. Expected fine weather most of the time here in Nuku'alofa in the next 5 days. But do take note that the strong wind from the southeast expected for Thursday until Monday next week. Maximum temperature forecast around 27 to 28 degrees here in Nuku'alofa in daytime in the next 5 days. And that will be all from your med service for this evening. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Viola Nicolo. And before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. His Royal Highness Prince Regent commissioned second international internet cable in Wawa'u. Former Police Minister Paula Piukala charged over alleged court interference, and Kolonga man wounded by police surrenders at Mo'a police station yesterday. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. I'm Simorita Daylight.